Welcome back to Think Fast. Can you pass this geography quiz? Let's get started with 70 exciting questions about the geography. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to Think Fast for more fun and brain-boosting quizzes every week. Let's go. Which is the largest ocean on Earth? Answer D. Pacific Ocean. What is the capital of Australia? Answer C. Canberra. Which dessert is the largest in the world? Answer A. Sahara. In which continent is the Amazon rainforest located? Answer B. South America. Which country has the most natural lakes? Answer A. Canada. What is the longest river in the world? Answer B. Nile. Which mountain range includes Mount Everest? Answer C. Himalayas. What is the smallest country in the world? Answer C. Vatican City. What ocean lies between Africa and Australia? Answer B. Indian. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Answer A. Japan. Which two continents are located entirely in the Western Hemisphere? Answer B. North and South America. Which U.S. state has the most volcanoes? Answer C. Alaska. Which sea is known for being extremely salty? Answer D. Dead Sea. What country has the highest population in the world? Answer C. China. What is the name of the imaginary line that divides the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres? Answer A. Equator. What country is shaped like a boot? Answer B. Italy. Which is the coldest place on Earth? Answer B. Antarctica. What is the capital of Canada? Answer C. Ottawa. What do we call lines that run north-south on maps? Answer B. Meridians. Which country has the most islands? Answer C. Sweden. What is the name of the river that flows through Egypt? Answer C. Nile. Which country has the longest coastline? Answer D. Canada. Which continent has the most countries? Answer A. Africa. What is the name of Earth's largest continent? Answer C. Asia. Which U.S. state is farthest west? Answer A. Alaska. Which African country is known for its pyramids? Answer B. Egypt. What is the capital of Brazil? Answer C. Brasilia. Which city is known as the City of Canals? Answer B. Venice. What is the flattest continent? Answer B. Australia. Which mountain is the tallest in Africa? Answer A. Kilimanjaro. What is the name of the sea between Europe and Africa? Answer C. Mediterranean Sea. Which country is both in Europe and Asia? Answer B. Turkey. What is the capital of South Korea? Answer B. Seoul. What is the world's deepest ocean trench? Answer A. Mariana Trench. Which island country lies southeast of India? Answer A. Sri Lanka. What country is home to the Great Barrier Reef? Answer C. Australia. Which U.S. state is known for the Grand Canyon? Answer C. Arizona. What's the largest island in the world? Answer B. Greenland. Which European country has the most volcanoes? Answer B. Italy. Which two continents are completely in the southern hemisphere? Answer C. Australia and Antarctica. What is the capital of Kenya? Answer A. Nairobi. Which Asian country has the most coastline? Answer B. Indonesia. Which river runs through Paris? Answer B. Seine. What country is known for fjords and northern lights? Answer C. Norway. What continent has no permanent population? Answer B. Antarctica. Which African river is the longest? Answer C. Nile. What country is the Eiffel Tower located in? Answer C. France. What is the capital of Egypt? Answer A. Cairo. What is the currency used in Japan? Answer B. Yen. Which sea is shrinking due to water being diverted for farming? Answer A. Aral Sea. Which island is known as the Emerald Isle? Answer B. Ireland. What's the largest lake in Africa? Answer C. Lake Victoria. Which country is famous for tulips and windmills? Answer B. Netherlands. What is the largest country in South America? Answer C. Brazil. Which country is the Taj Mahal in? Answer B. India. What mountain range separates Europe from Asia? Answer B. Urals. What's the capital of New Zealand? Answer B. Wellington. What is the world's second largest continent? Answer A. Africa. Which country is known as the roof of the world? Answer D. Tibet. What is the name of the strait between Asia and North America? Answer A. Bering Strait. What is the capital of Argentina? Answer B. Buenos Aires. What desert is located in northern China and southern Mongolia? Answer B. Gobi. Which two countries share the longest international land border? Answer C. Canada and USA. Which European capital is split by the Danube River? Answer A. Budapest. What is the southernmost city in the world? Answer D. Ushuaia. What are the names of the 5 oceans of the world? Answer B. Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, Southern, Pacific. Which country is shaped like a dragon on the map? Answer A. Vietnam. Which U.S. state has the most national parks? Answer A. California. What is the capital of Iceland? Answer B. Reykjavik. What mountain is known as the Savage Mountain? Answer C. K2. Thanks for watching the video.